Hi, I'm doing this Knitcrate yarn giveaway, and to participate in receiving these 2 skeins of yarn, you need to comment down below something crochet related, maybe something you're working on or some video you would like to see in the future. Make sure you're a subscriber, and also the 2 skeins of yarn, if you'd like to be a member, it's $24.95 per month, and you get a booklet and the 2 skeins of yarn every month. You get to pick your type of membership you would like. All right, so let's see what's in here. It's a very nice mint color, very pretty. Linen jewel. Oasis, superwash merino, linen, silk, fingering weight, 400 yards, 100 grams, and hand wash only, lie flat for drying. They're very nice and soft, kind of has like alpaca kind of feel to it, like there's a little bit of flyaways on it, which gives it a nice texture. And there's this, it says, it's a coaster. You can read what it says, really cute. And here's the booklet. Also, I have a Facebook group and page down below if you'd like to join. I'm trying to build it back up because my other one was hacked. And Etsy store too. You could take a look at my Etsy store. So this is the booklet. These are the membership yarn. Here's the Oasis, and then this one. And then the Midsummer Rose, really pretty. These are the sock yarns. So these are the choices you would get. If you sign up under me, you would get your first month 20% off if you put in the promo code JEWEL20. This is the pattern. These are the patterns: the pure cardigan, the flower socks, the surf sun socks, the summer shrug, and some are knitting and some are crochet. This is the summer shrug, and this is a knit pattern. And this is another oversized style crochet. Very nice. And these are socks, knit socks they have in here. And crochet socks. Very nice. Okay, so those are the patterns, and just make sure you're a subscriber, you comment down below, come back in a couple of weeks and I'll pick the winner. And thank you everybody for subscribing. Always come back weekly to see new videos if you'd like. And that's it. Thank you for watching.